Good morning, students. Today I, Purnima, am going to teach you a poem, and the name of the poem is The Geography Lesson. By Zulfikar Ghosh. So, in this poem, children, the poem describes the scene of the city and the country from an aeroplane. He is going on an aeroplane and he is describing the scene of the city. That aeroplane is flying very high. When the jet plane took off, the sky was clear. The poet looked out from the window. The city looked neatly planned. The city was looking very beautiful and full, well planned city. But on the ground, it looked without plan or order. But when the people moves on the ground, and there looks lot of chaos on the road, and the houses, we feel that it is made like that only. So it looks as if it is without a plan or an order. It had numerous lanes and roads and houses without a style or symmetry. So children, when we will go and we will feel that the house is not symmetrical or it is not without a style. When the aeroplane flew at a height of 10,000 feet above sea level, now children, the poet is describing that he is sitting on the aeroplane which is flying at the height of 10,000 feet above sea level. He looked below and realized the logic of geography. Then he felt, children, the logic of geography. What is the logic? It became clear to him when the cities in every country are situated in the river banks. Now, children, for the first time he felt that why earlier he used to think that the city is unplanned and all the houses and roads are like that. But children, when he flew high at the height of 10,000 feet in the aeroplane, then he realized that why he was feeling all these things when he was on the ground. Because a person never realizes when he is in the ground. When he was flying in the aeroplane, then only he realized that the whole city is situated around or near the water body. Maximum part of the houses were there near the water bodies, that is river or sea. And now children, that is the reason when he used to go to the city, he used to feel so much chaos near the river, and so much house were there constructed there that he felt that it was the house which is, he felt that these are the house which is been built in an unplanned way. When the plane rose as high above the ground, when the airplane flew at the height of 10,000 feet above sea level, he looked below and realized the logic of geography. It became clear to him why the cities in every country are situated on the river bank. So why they are situated on the river bank? Because they want to have water. Without water, no life is there without water. So everybody felt that they should live near the water body. Secondly, the people lived chiefly in the valleys. This is the label land between the hills. And children, in the second case, people prefer to live in the valleys rather than living in the mountains. Though mountains were beautiful, but then also much people were living in the valleys. This is the label land between the hills. Land and water are primary needs of life. They attracted people. So they are the primary needs of life, and they attracted people. When the plane rose as high above the ground, as 6 miles, the earth looked round. It had more water than land. The poet understood the reason why it was so, but he could not see any longer behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and hatred, and why people went madly after one another's throat. So, children, this was a situation that in geography lesson, first of all, the poet realized the people that why there is so much crowd when he never used to understand that why a lot of hustle and bustle would be seen near the river valley, so much crowd, and he felt so much crowd used to be there, and so many houses were there. So he thought that it is the children. He thought that it is the house that is so many houses. Why people are meeting here? Then he realized, children, then maximum house he found in the valley. So now after flying in the aeroplane, he realized that people are comfortable to live near the water body and the valley. So they love land and water. Now children, I am going to read the poem and I am going to explain the new words, and then we will do the question and answer. So when the jet sprang into the sky, jet is an aeroplane. Jet is an aeroplane. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So now children, the meaning of jet is a jet aeroplane. Sprang is moved or went up. Inevitability means something unavoidable. What is the meaning of inevitability? Inevitability. So the meaning of inevitability is unavoidable. Then haphazard. When the jet sprang into the sky, so here the jet or the aeroplanes, sprang means it moved into the sky. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scale 6 inches in the mile. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So children, here the poet is telling when he sat on the plane and when it moved upwards, okay, then he felt that why it was clear to him that why had the city had developed that way. When he was on the ground, he was not able to realize that why the city had in the ground, why he could see the city has been made in an unplanned way. So now children, he had realized when he went towards the plane upside on the sky, then he came to realize that why the city was unplanned, why it had been made like that. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability. What about what on ground had looked haphazard. So he is telling without on the ground it looked so haphazard. unplanned and without style. So the city was unplanned and it was without a style. Okay, the city which was looking so unplanned and without a style, when he sat on the plane, he felt that why it was looking like that, and that's when he realized when the plane went into the sky. So children, this is taken from the lesson, geography lesson. And children, what does the poet describe here? The scene of the city. He is describing here the scene of the city. And the poet is, children, when the what does the poet notice? He noticed when he was on the ground that the city was, he felt that the city was unplanned. But he was, children, when he was sitting on the plane, he realized that the why city had planned like that. There seemed to be little inability, means we can't afford the way the city had spread. Sprang here means went up. Okay. So children, he realized that why the city had been planned like that. Okay. Now the next paragraph. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country and city had cities where the river runs and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. So logic, children, here means reason. What is the meaning of logic here? Logic here. What is the meaning of logic here? Logic here means reason. And children, delineated means shown. So when the jet reached 10,000 feet, children, now he is sitting in a plane, and that plane is flying 10,000 feet. It was clear why the country had cities where the river ran. And children, when he looked from the plane, then he realized that the city which he was thinking is made in an unplanned way. Actually, it is not made in unplanned way. And children, it realized him. It made him realize that the city was made in a planned way near the river or the water bodies. So children, he is sitting on the plane which is flying at 10,000 feet high. And children, now when he sat in the plane, he realized what the cities had been made near the water bodies in a very much planned way, because children, it is the land and water which attracts the people. And why the valleys were populated, the logic of geography. Now children, then he also realized that why the valleys are populated. Nobody like to live on the mountain, but in valleys so many people live there. So the logic is the reason of geography, that land and water attracted man. Children, it was the land and water which attracted man, was clearly delineated. It was clearly shown when the jet reached 10,000 feet. And children, it was when the jet reached 10,000 feet high, then he came to realize this thing. So children, the poet is Zulfikar Ghosh. And then children, he is making us realize that the valleys and the land near the water is very much populated, and he told the reason also, because it is a water body and people are much attracted by land and water. What do people want the most for their settlement? So they want water most for their settlement. That's why so many people are settled near water bodies. The jet aeroplane was flying at the height of children 10,000 feet. And he could clearly see the well-planned city and the water body. The city was around the water body. And children, the word delineated means here shown. Okay. Here delineated, the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet high. Children, when you will sit and when the plane will fly high, you can see each and every part of the city very clearly. The road, the buildings, the trees. You can see everything from the up very clearly. So this is the situation. Now the third paragraph I am reading. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across city and to kill. From that height it was not clear why. So children, when the jet rose 6 miles high. Now children, again the poet is telling that when he is sat near the in the plane which rose 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round. Now children, he realized that the whole earth was round and that it had more sea than land, and the earth was having much more water bodies, that is sea, than the land. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other. But it was difficult to understand that, children, that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across cities and to kill. From that height it was not clear why. And children, he was not knowing that why the people are hating each other. Okay, to build walls across cities, they are increasing their walls, that is they are increasing the city, they are killing each other. From that height he was not knowing clearly why the people do like that. That means I wanted to say to you people that this was clear that the why was planned near the water bodies in the valley, but still it was not clear that why people hate each other. They kill each other. They would like to, children, grab the land, they would like to kill, they want to involve themselves in the war. So why do this? Still he is not able to understand. So children, the poet here is sitting in a jet aeroplane, and what is the first thing that he noticed in the height of 6 miles? He noticed that the earth is round. That means the plane is flying very high, and he came to know that the earth is round and that it had more sea than land. And the children, the earth is having more sea than land. It was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found cause to hate each other. So he came to found a very small children. Till now he was thinking that why the cities are planned near the water bodies, and why people live in valley. This he has found, but still he is not able to found one thing. And what is that, children? What is that? It is the children. It is the why people hate each other, why they involve themselves in the war. This is the reason he is not able to find. So they hate each other. Okay, so children, this I have completed the poem. So when the plane is rising high above the ground at 6 miles, the earth looked round, and children, it had more water bodies than land. The poet understood the reason why it was so, but he could not see any logic behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and hatred. And why people went madly after one another throat. So this is the reason. Well, so children, I have explained the poem, and children, we will do first the textual question, and we will do some more long question. How you will do the long question, this I will discuss with you. So children, first question, textual question is find 3 or 4 phrases in the stanza 1 or 2 which are likely to occur in a geography lesson. So first is scale 6 inches to the mile. Valleys were populated. Land and water attracted man. Seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appears as haphazard as on the ground, as neat as map, as developed as necessary. So the correct answer is as developed as necessary. Which of the following statements are example of the logic of the geography? So first of all, there are cities where there are rivers. I think this we can go, it is related to the geography. Then cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. So cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. This is not related with the geography lesson, with the geography, sorry. It is easy to understand why valleys are populated. This is related with your geography. And then the third one, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated. So why valleys are populated? Because of so many reasons. First of all, it is a land area, it is a plain area where people can easily do their thing. Okay, in the mountain area it is very difficult to carry out the domestic life there, and lot of problem is there. So people prefer to live in the valley. It is difficult to understand why human hate and kill one another. So the earth is round and it has more sea than land. So this is also related with your geography. Okay. Now mention two things that are clear from the height, not clear from the height. Children, what is clear from the height? The earth is round and it has more sea than land. It is also clear that why people are living in the valleys. It is also clear that why people are living in a planned or unplanned way near the water body. And what is not clear? Why man hate each other and build wall across the city. So this is not clear. Now children, I will be doing, first of all children, if summary will come. Now in the long question few things can come like characterization. So in this poem there is no characterization because only poet is there and he is simply telling about the lesson. He simply describe it, he simply describe the lesson. So here what I feel that this characterization will not be coming from this lesson. Now children, if the summary is asked, then what you will write in the summary? So what you will write in the summary? Okay. So children, first of all, the main ideas of, in the summary you have to write the whole poem. You can start with the name of the poem, you can start with the writer name, and then all the three stanza you can write what the explanation of the three stanza which I have told you. So okay, so that I will be telling in the last. Now the other question is sum up the main ideas of the poem in about 50 words or in about 100 words. Here also you have to write the whole poem explanation, like the poet flew over the city in a jet plane. He found the city spread in a disorderly manner, in an unplanned manner, but he knew it was unavoidable. From the height of 10,000 feet, he saw that rivers and valleys. He well understood why the valleys were populated. The land and water facility attracts people. It was the logic of geography. From a height of 6 miles, he noticed that the earth was round and had more the land into separate units, but he was not able to understand that why people kill each other. Now children, what lesson of geography did the poet learn when he flew above the city? So what did he learn? As the poet flies in a jet, he noticed that the city below were not properly planned. He could see why it was so. From a height of 10,000 feet, he noticed that the valleys were very much populated. It was quite reasonable and understandable that the people did not want to stay there. It was a compulsion of geography that people should settle down in a place with flat land and children, plenty of water and food. So this was one of the reasons that why people were there in the settling in the children near the water body. It was a compulsion of geography that people should settle down in places with flat land and plenty of food and water. It is quite illogical why people hate and kill one another. It is greatly inhuman. Now children, this type of question can also come to you, that what is the poem geography lesson is about. So in this poem also you have to write the summary of the lesson. How should we live on the earth? So we should live on the earth by not fighting. We can write, we could maintain our earth in a very beautiful manner. We should not fight, and children, we should live like brothers. We should not hate anyone. We should avoid war. So in this manner children, we can say that we should take care of nature. Nowadays people are cutting trees, and people are cutting trees, and they are making our earth a place not worth living. So not only children, we have to avoid war, and we have to avoid hatred, and we have to avoid hatred for the mankind, but we should love children. How we should also know that what is the problem among mankind, why we are fighting, and what we should do to stop that. There should be a sense of duty and love towards the people. Now this is very less and less. It is becoming nowadays. Now I would be telling you the summary, because this question can also come, that what is the summary of the geography lesson. So whenever children summary will come, you have to tell that geography lesson is, you have to mention the name of the writer. The geography lesson is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. In this poem, the poet described the scene of the city and the country from the aeroplane flying very high. When the jet planes took off, the sky was clear. The poet looked out from the window. The city looked neatly planned, but on ground it looked without plan or order. It had numerous lanes and houses without style or symmetry. When the aeroplanes flew at a height of 10,000 feet above sea level, he looked below and realized the logic of geography. It became clear to him why the cities in every country are situated on the river bank. So you can see children, all the cities are situated in the river bank. Not even a single piece of river bank area is empty. So when the aeroplane flew at a height of 10,000 feet above sea level, he looked below and realized the logic of geography. It became clear to him why the city in every country are situated on the river bank. Secondly, the people live chiefly in the valleys. This is the level land between the hill, and land and water are primary needs of water, so they are attracted by the people. Now children, why the people visit them? Because they want to stay near them, because children, this land is the where the people get a lot of water and land to live. So they never want to put away from that area. Water is available in plenty. Without water, nobody can do anything. So this is the reason that people want to stay in the valley and near the water body. The people live chiefly in the valleys. This is the level and land between the hills. So children, you can see that how land is helping them. Okay. Now, when the plane rose as high above the ground as 6 miles, the earth looked round. It had more water than land. The poet understood the reason why it was so, but he could not see any logic behind. the division of land by raising walls of brick and hatred, and why people went merely after one another's throat. Why they wanted to cut throat each other. Why they hate each other. Still, the poet is not able to understand. Though he understood why the city was planned near the valleys and near the water bodies. And he also saw that the geography he read and he saw now, he felt now that the earth is round. So with this, children, I end my video here.